Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. So just got our next little project here dropped off. Give a little walk around of what we got going on here. So got an international dump truck. Gonna be doing a wheel polish on it, polishing up the cab, getting the chrome dialed in. Probably get some back to black stuff on these fenders here. May or may not do these fuel tanks. So gonna see what the customer's looking at, if what he wants done. But yeah, for sure we're gonna get these wheels done. We got to get it washed first, so we'll send her over and get her washed, and then kind of look at it from there. All right, guys, got the truck inside. Gonna do a little walk around on what exactly we're gonna be doing, so you guys know. Make a separate video of this whole process because it's gonna be a lot. So anyways, for starters, we're gonna get it cleaned. Like I said, that's happening tomorrow. Get all the dirt and the grime and crap off of it, all the surface dirt and whatnot, whatever layer of silt's laying on it. Then we're gonna start by polishing up these wheels. They're 22.5 Alcoas. Not gonna be doing any sanding. We're just gonna do our just gonna do a 2 or 3 step on these, clean them up good, get a little bit of the shine back. Then I'm probably gonna go around and hit up some of this trim with just a little metal polish. No machine work there. It's just a little chrome plating, that's all it is. So clean that up a little bit for them. Go around on the bumper here on some of the parts that have some rust marks on it, clean that up. And then we're gonna do some polishing. So we're gonna do a little 1 step on this paint. So not a full correction, notice, we're just doing a 1 step. I'm gonna try to get a lot of this hazing removed here. A lot of the minor to medium scratches out. Really clean it up, brighten it up a little bit. And then obviously on top of that, it's gonna get ceramic coated, and that's gonna really pop. And then lastly, we're just gonna try to fix these fender flares up for them a little bit. I got some black dye that I use. I'll show you guys that, how to go about doing that. And then yeah, should be a pretty good. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned if you're interested in what's to come on the dump truck, because that video will be coming up soon. We're gonna get it started on it tomorrow. So whenever I get done kind of mashing up all the videos and putting them all together, you guys will be seeing that. Just did some stuff to mine, actually. Did a little polish on the wheels. They've been looking pretty nasty for a while, so just a little freshen up, nothing too deep, not a full stage polish or anything, just kind of freshen them up a little bit. So made a big difference though. They're starting to get pretty dull and a little nasty from the winter, and I get a lot of people that'll ask me, you know, how do we take care of them through the winter? Well, just wash them, you know, somewhat regularly as best you can. Throw some hand polish on it here and there. And then if you're running these things through winter, I mean, they're probably gonna need a little bit of a machine polish at the end. So that's just kind of what I do. I just periodically just take a light finishing pad and some polish compound and go real slow over them, whatnot, and brightens them right back up. So if you guys want to see any stuff about the truck, my truck, let me know. I know some people have been interested. I got some people on Facebook that reached out, so can kind of do a little walkthrough on that, show you guys what's all done to it. So yeah, I open up the garage door, and guess what? It's raining. Oh man, all that hard work, it's all gone, huh? Gotta have the rain, huh? Turned out good though, they look good. Just for a quick little polish, a little sprucing up. Turned out all right. If I do say so myself. Looking good, feeling good. Whatever, it'll clean up. No big deal. Anyways, you guys let me know if you want to see more stuff on the truck. Be happy to show you. I got some people on Facebook that have reached out. So can do a little walkthrough, show you what's done to it, etc., etc. But oh man, what a bummer. Really looking forward to finally having it seen. All right, anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and